In this video, you will learn about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Suppose, take a right angle triangle. Take a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B. Let angle ACB be theta. Take angle C as theta. Then what will be the angle A? By using angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of all angles is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees by using angle sum property. Angle A plus, to find the angle A plus angle B 90 degrees and angle C be the theta, that is 180 degrees. So sin 90 plus theta, that side, angle A is equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus theta. So angle A is equals 180 minus 90, that is 90 degrees minus theta. So angle A will be 90 degrees minus theta. In this right angle triangle, angle B is already 90. So sum of the two angles should be the 90 degrees. So angle theta and angle 90 minus theta are called as complementary angles. What are the complementary angles? If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the two angles are called complementary angles. So finally here theta and 90 minus theta, these are two complementary angles. So what are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles? At 90 minus theta, check all the trigonometric ratios. Sin 90 minus theta. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse, but here sin 90 minus theta, for this angle 90 minus theta, what is the opposite side? That is BC. So opposite side by hypotenuse BC by what is the hypotenuse? That is AC. Sin 90 minus theta, compare this angle opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, and this is equals to the, compare with this angle now, theta. For this angle theta, BC is adjacent side. So AC is hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse is cos. So sin 90 minus theta is equals to the, compare with theta, that is cos theta. Both are same. Cos sin 90 minus theta, that is opposite side by hypotenuse BC by AC, and check the cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse, so same. So we can conclude that sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So compare this angle theta. AB is opposite side, AC is hypotenuse. So this value opposite side by hypotenuse, that is sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta means opposite side by adjacent side, that is BC by AB. Compare this 90 minus theta and come to the theta. BC is adjacent side and AB is opposite side. So adjacent side by opposite side is cot theta. So we can conclude that tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta means, cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite side, that is AC by BC. Come to this theta, AC is hypotenuse, BC is adjacent side. So AC by BC is equals to, compare with this theta, that is secant theta. Secant theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. So cosecant 90 minus theta is equals to secant theta. Similarly, secant 90 minus theta is equals to secant 90 minus theta, hypotenuse by adjacent side, AC by AB. That is equals to the, compare with this theta, secant 90 minus theta will be as cosecant theta. Cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, that is adjacent side by opposite side, AB by AC. AB by adjacent side by BC. With compare this theta, AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side means tan theta. These are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. That is, we recall that sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equals to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equals to cosecant theta. These are called trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. By using these trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, we can solve some problems. The application of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. We can solve these problems by using these complementary angles. First one, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Total of these two angles, that is 6 degrees plus 54 degrees, are total sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So these are the complementary angles. And 12 degrees, 78 degrees, total sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So these are also complementary angles. 26 degrees and 64 degrees, sum of these two angles also 90 degrees. So by using the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, we can solve this. So tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees, change one of the ratio. Two trigonometric ratios, change only one, either numerator or denominator. I prefer denominator. Tan 36 degrees by cot 54. First you write like this, cot 90 minus 36 degrees. First you change these 54 values by using 90 minus 36 degrees. 90 minus 36 degrees is equals to 54. So tan 36 as it is by cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. So we can write as tan 36 degrees. Numerator and denominator is same. So we will get 1. So tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees value is 1. Second problem, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. 12 degrees plus 78 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. So 12 degrees and 78 degrees are complementary angles. So we can solve this problem by using these trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Change one of the ratio. So cos 12 write as it is minus Sine 78, sine 78 we can write as 90 minus 12 degrees. Only change one of this ratio. So I preferred second ratio. Cos 12 degrees as it is. It is in the form of sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So this value is cos 12 degrees. So cos 12 degrees minus cos 12 degrees is equals to 0. X minus x is equals to 0. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Like that, cos 12 minus cos 12 is equals to 0. This value is only 0. So finally, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees is equals to 0. Third one, tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So they are complementary angles. So change one of this ratio. First one as it is, you write tan 26 degrees into tan 64. We can write as tan 90 minus 26 degrees. Tan 64 we can write as tan 90 minus 26 degrees. Tan 26 degrees and tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. So this value is cot 26 degrees. Tan theta and cot theta are the reciprocals. Tan theta and cot theta are the reciprocals. So the multiplication of tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Or we can write cot 26 degrees as 1 by tan 26 degrees. Then tan will be cancelled. So tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees is equals to 1. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those need maths basics and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.